meta characters available in regular expressions. There are so many meta characters. Let us see some basic characters which are commonly used. And the first one, cap symbol and dollar symbol. Import RE string equal to hi, how are you? This is the string that I have, and pattern equal to, within double quotation I have given this cap symbol followed by hi. It means that my pattern should start with the character hi. That means hi should be the first word of the given string. It will return true if this hi is present in the beginning, and it will return false otherwise. If re dot search of pattern 1 comma string, it will check whether this hi is present in beginning of this string. Yes, it is present. So it will return true and match found will be displayed. And hi dollar means dollar will check whether this particular character is present in end of the string. So in the particular string, hi, how are you? Hi is only present in the beginning and not at the end. And for the second pattern, we will have the output as not found. I think this should be clear now. So for the given pattern, hi, how are you? Hi is present in the beginning. So for this first pattern, it returns true. And for the second pattern, this hi is not present at the end. So it returns false. Now, if we just copy this hi and paste at the end, hi is present in both beginning and end of the string. So this cap symbol will also return true and dollar symbol will also return true. So for both cases, now we will have match found. We have different flag options in search function. No? So first we have seen re.I. I stands for ignore case. It is case sensitive Python usually, but if we want to ignore case while matching the string, then we have to use this re.I. And re.yes, it matches any character other than new line character. And re.m equal to this cap symbol and dollar symbol, it matches start and end of the line as we have seen now. And re.l means it matches all the characters, or the valid characters are matched. And re.u, it treats all letters from all scripts as word characters. So these are the different flag options. And the next meta character is dot symbol. Whenever we give dot, it matches any single character except new line character, except /n, it will match all the character. So now we have the string hi, how are you, and pattern is ho dot. That means the pattern is ho followed by any character. Any character can be substituted for this dot. That's the meaning. So of re dot search of pattern 1 comma string. So it will first search in the given string. So hi, it is not matched. So now in this position, ho followed by w. So this dot can take any character. Even if it's a blank space, it will take. So ho w. Now it will return true and you will have this match found. And if we just delete this hw, now this particular pattern ho dot is not found. So it will return false. But if we just give h dot, now it will work. Because hi, in this position itself, the match has occurred. H followed by any character. So actually, it matches any single character. So here, if we give anything within the square bracket, it can match. Any character within the square bracket, if it occurs in the given string, it will return true. For example, in this case, string equal to hi, how are you? Pattern 1 equal to d, small d or capital D. That means any of these characters should be present in the given string. If re.search of pattern 1 comma string. So we are checking small d and capital D, both characters are not present in the given string, so it will return false and hence not found will be displayed. Suppose if I am giving small h, now this small h is also not found in this and it will return false. But if I give capital H, this capital H is already present for 2 times in this particular string, so it will return true. Even If it contains H or D, the output will be true. That's the. Suppose if we give any character inside the square bracket with this cap symbol, any character given inside this should not be present in the given pattern. All other characters except the character given inside the square bracket can be present. So in this example, hi, how do you do is given, and the pattern is within the square bracket A. That means A should not be present in the string and followed by D. That means before the word do, you should not have A. Other than A, you can have any character. That is the meaning. And if re.search of pattern 1 comma string print match found. So in this example, it will return true because before do you have only blank space. It can have any character except the character A. So now you will have the match found. And suppose if I am just changing A, now also it will have the output as match found, because in this case the match is not found, but in the second occurrence you have the blank space followed by do. In this case the match is found. Even though here it is not found, here in this case it is matched. And now if you are updating this to ADO, now you will not have the match, and hence it will be not found. So I think it should be clear now. And then RE matches 0 or more occurrence of regular expression. If you have this star, it means that the particular character given inside the square bracket can be repeated for 0 or more times. Any of the characters can be repeated. In this pattern, we have small s or capital S, which can be repeated for 0 or more times. So this is the string. This is an example of regular expression. And re.search of pattern comma string. So the pattern is small s or capital S. So here we have small s. And now if we execute this, we have the match found. And if I delete this, still it will have match found because this S is appearing once. RE plus the same thing but with another example. Here capital A to capital EZ has to be repeated for one or more times. So this is an example of regular expression. Here this capital T is present. So you have match found. And if you convert this into small t, let us see what happens. It is not found because any of the characters from capital A to capital EZ is not available in the string. And we have another meta character, question mark. Question mark means that it matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the given expression. So star means 0 or more occurrences, plus means 1 or more occurrences, and question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence, not more than that. Small s and capital S can be repeated for 0 or more times and not more than that. This is an example of regular expression. So now this pattern is matched, and if you run, you will have the match found. But if I'm having this and I'm just deleting this, so let us see what happens. So match found because here it is not matched, but here you have the match. Yes or yes. Now let us delete this and let us see what happens. This is match found because this is repeated. And let me delete all these things. Now also it will be match found because 0 or more occurrence of this yes. And then another meta character is you can give any number within this curly bracket. So the pattern is AB, within the bracket you have given 2 and then followed by D. That means B should occur for 2 times in the given string. Only if it is the case, then it will be matched. That means B can occur for 2 times. So AB, this is not matched, but here it is A, B, 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 D. So let us see what happens. Not found because here we have 3 occurrences of B followed by D. That means AB should be compulsorily present and followed by D. B should be present only for 2 times, but in this case it is 3 times. And now if we delete this, now it will be matched since we have A, B for 2 times and followed by D. And RE of n comma. So that means we can specify the range. Minimum this B should be present for 2 times and maximum it can occur for n number of times. So minimum 2 times B is occurring and maximum in this case it is 5 times. So now also it will be match found. And if you have this delete, now it will not be matched because B has occurred for only one time. And we can specify both the minimum time of occurrence and maximum occurrence like this. A, B should occur for minimum 1 time and maximum 3 times. That's the meaning. And in this case, B has occurred for 2 times. So this will also be matched. And now if we have given for 4 times, it will not be matched because it has exceeded the given specified limit. And you can give this pipe symbol pattern equal to red or black. That means either red or black should appear in the given string. Tulip flower color is red or white. Now if we execute this, here we have the match font because red is already present, and if we change it to yellow, this will not be matched. So, and you have another meta character /W. /W, it matches any word characters, any alphabets can be matched. And this is the pattern, and we have the string S1 equal to dollar symbol, percentage symbol. So all the special characters are given here, and the given string is tulip flower color is rose or white. And if we match this pattern with the string S1, so let us see what happens. S1 actually contains the non-word characters. So not found because no alphabet is present in the given string. But if it is containing the pattern like this, let us see what happens. Match found because at least one alphabet is present in the given string. And this capital W is just opposite of the small w. It matches non-word characters. Now the same example S1, now it has this capital W. So if it matches, now this match will be present because all the non-word characters are available in the pattern and also the string. And this /s, it matches the white spaces. Whenever there is /t, /n, /r or f, there will be some white spaces. So that will be matched. Pattern equal to r and /s. And here we have given some special characters. That match should not be found. That should be our expected answer, and yes, we got it. And the next one is capital S. It's just opposite of this. Other than this non-white spaces, you can have any character. Now this match will be present. So S1, we have two cases. So S1 contains the special characters and string contains the blank spaces. And if you match with the string, now we have the output like this. Not found. Because for the first case, it should not match with this blank space. And in the second case, we have given the /s, so it matches with any of the special characters. So you have the match found for the second pattern. And next, /d followed by n. Any digit can occur, and the number of times that particular digit can occur is also given. The pattern is r/d2. That means you can have 2 digits. That is the given pattern, and after the 2 digits you can have any number of occurrence, any character or digit, whatever it may be. That is not a condition here. So S1 equal to 23 and string equal to something like this. And if you give this re dot search of pattern S1, let us see. We need 2 occurrence of digit, so it is present, so it is matched. And if we change to string, if we compare this pattern with string, here also it matches. Even though you have 4 digits, minimum 2 digits is our mandatory condition, and that matches. That's fine. And we can specify the range of the digits, that means number of digits that can be given. Slash d 2 comma minimum 2 times digits should occur, and maximum you can have any number of occurrences. Here also minimum 2 times, so minimum 2 times in S1, and in string also you have 4 times. Even if you have 100 digits, no problem, the match will be found. But capital D slash capital D means it matches non-digits. Small d for the digits and capital D for other than the digits, you can have any character. See, capital D plus followed by small d. That means other than the digits, you can have any other thing, any other character which should have at least one occurrence followed by digit. So S1 equal to H2345. Now if we match with this, then we have now we are matching S1 and string. Let us first match this with string and execute. What is the output? 2345. It is not found because it has not started with the non-digit character. And if we match it with S1, it will be matched because it perfectly have first alphabet followed by digits. And slash a, capital A, it matches beginning of the string. It is similar to the cap symbol, where if you give slash a high, the string should start with high. That is the thing here. Match found. And suppose if it doesn't starts with this, now it will not be matched. And slash z, it is like your dollar symbol, where we can check whether the particular string ends with the high. And now here we have this S1 equal to, here in this case, and are you there high, it is ending with this high, so it is match found. And suppose if you delete this, now it will not be found, no match occurs for this case. And slash b, it matches word boundaries when outside the brackets. Actually this a z can be used specifically to find whether it begins with the given pattern or ends with the given pattern. And slash b, it matches both things, beginning and end. At the word boundaries you can check. See, slash b high, that means it can start with high and end with high. That's the meaning. So S1 equal to, you have this string, and string equal to TWE high. So now if we match the string with the pattern, it is match found because at the boundary, at the word boundary, you have this. And let us have high this, and we are matching with S1. It is present in the beginning, so it is also matching. And if we delete this, now it will not be found because we don't have high at either of the boundaries. And slash n and slash t matches new lines and tabs. As usual, slash n stands for new line and slash t stands for space, 8-character space, tabs. And here we have R, small b, and at the end you have capital B. Capital B means non-word boundaries, just opposite of this. That means high should not be present at the end. It can be present in the beginning, but it should not be present at the end. That's the meaning. So here we have string are you there high, and now we are comparing this pattern with this string. So match found because at the word boundary we have this high. It is not ending with this. Slash b matches non-word boundaries. That means apart from the boundary, this high can appear. That means it can be appearing in the beginning, or it can appear at any position except the last position. That's the meaning. At the end, it should not be there. Here in this case, HIGH. So here we have high in the intermediate position. We have the output as match found. But suppose if we have the string like this. this high is present in the end, which is violating or constraint. So it will return false. But you can have high in the beginning. That is okay. But you should not have at the end. So in this case, we have in the beginning. So it's match found.